Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're going to get into something that, if you live anywhere it rains a lot, is just critical. We're talking about keeping your basement completely dry.
That's right. And for this, we're looking at a guide from some real local pros. Pacific Blue Mechanical and Plumbing. They're experts in dealing with the unique weather we see in Vancouver and British Columbia.
So our mission today is pretty simple. We want to understand what basement drainage even is, why it's so important where it rains a ton, and what big good things it does for your house.
Mm-hmm. And Vancouver's a really special case. It needs a very specific kind of attention.
Right, because it's not just about the heavy rain, is it? There's something else going on.
Exactly. It's a double whammy, really. You've got all that rain hitting this heavy clay soil that just doesn't drain. It holds onto water like a sponge.
And that water has to go somewhere.
It pushes right up against the foundation. It creates this constant pressure, and that puts homes all over the area. I mean, from Richmond and Burnaby to Coquitlam in North Vancouver, they're all at risk.
So, okay, if you're standing in your basement right now, what's the first clue? What's that early warning sign that you might have a problem, besides, actual water on the floor?
Well, the guide is really clear about this. You have to look for the small things first. Are there little cracks starting to form in the walls or on the floor?
Mm-hmm.
That signals that the water pressure outside is starting to win. And the other thing is your nose. If you smell that musty, damp smell, that won't go away.
That's the first sign of mold.
That's it. It means water is already getting in somewhere, even if you can't see it.
Okay, let's unpack this then. According to the experts at Pacific Blue Mechanical, what are the big good things that happen when your drainage is actually working right?
So the first and biggest one is you're protecting the house's strength. It's really about stopping water damage before it can weaken the foundation. You're protecting its structural integrity.
Job one is just keeping the house from falling apart, basically.
Pretty much. The second is all about healthier air inside your home. You stop the water, you stop the yucky mold and mildew from growing in the first place.
Which is huge for your family's health.
Absolutely. Then third, you just get more usable space. Your basement stops being a damp, scary place and becomes, actual square footage you can use for storage.
Or even a living area. It makes the whole house bigger.
Precisely. And that leads right to the fourth benefit. You preserve your home's value. A dry basement gives buyers a ton of confidence.
So what do these fixes actually look like? The guide mentions things like interior systems, exterior systems, sump pumps, French drains. How do you know which one is right?
Well, in a place like Vancouver, with so much rain and that dense soil, the local pros often say you need a combination of things.
Not just one magic bullet.
No. They might recommend an exterior system like a French drain, that's the gravel trench that catches water before it even gets to your house. But then they'll also pair that with an interior system and a sump pump to handle any water that still gets underneath. Homes in, say, West Vancouver often use that exact combination.
What's fascinating to me here is that these aren't just quick fixes. The guide talks about long-term stuff like using special paving that lets water soak through, or even rain gardens.
It's a whole protection plan.
Right.
And the folks at Pacific Blue Mechanical really emphasize this. Regular maintenance is the key. You have to check on those pumps and drains to make sure they're clear and working.
Especially before the rainy season hits.
You got it. That's non-negotiable.
That is such solid advice. So here's a final thought for you. If spending money on drainage prevents huge, costly damage and makes your home more valuable, what other boring, protective things around your house should you maybe start seeing as a crucial long-term investment? Maybe it's time to check out other services on their site, like tankless water heaters or air duct cleaning, and see what else protects your home's value.